If you're waiting for a financial breakthrough, stop scrolling and listen to me carefully. About 8 years ago, I was introduced to a concept by a gentleman named Nelson Nash, and it was called the infinite banking concept. And since then, I've been able to form a company where I have figured out how to take that strategy to the next level, and I've discovered what all of the elite families have been doing under our noses, right in front of our faces, for a very long time. There's a quote by a gentleman that was one of the Rockefellers that said, "Own nothing and control everything." Let me tell you guys, wealthy people have figured out how to multiply their income by using life insurance. This infinite banking concept is using a whole life policy with a mutual company that's designed a specific way where every time you deposit money in that account versus a traditional bank account, you're getting cash value, you're earning interest on that money every year that it's parked there, and you're building a death benefit that's in multiples more than what you're depositing in that account that goes to your family after you die. Now ask yourself this, what does the bank give you when you deposit your money there? Nothing, right? They just give you dollar for dollar, and then when you go and spend your income, your money is gone, and then you got to hit rinse and repeat again the next month. What if you could create an account with an insurance company where you could take your income and your business income, by the way, that we have figured out how to do, and you could run that money and park it with an insurance company instead of a traditional bank where every time you earn money, that account grows, which means the interest that you're earning on it grows, and it continues to grow year after year after year as long as you continue putting the money there instead of the traditional bank. Where would you be today? What if your parents taught you when you were 18 to get a life insurance policy to take all the money that you earned and run it in there, and then you can borrow against that money without interrupting any of the growth? See, you can take out policy loans with insurance companies where they say, listen, since your death benefit is much larger than what you're actually depositing, we'll just allow you to borrow from there so that we don't interrupt over here. See, the insurance companies actually want you to build wealth. So you can take loans against that, just like Warren Buffett does with his stock, to get money from over here where you can go pay your bills and invest and create wealth. Listen, folks, this one concept, if it is not in your life, will change your life, will alter the financial course of your family's future forever, because it did me 8 years ago. If you want to learn more, click the link in my bio, book an appointment with either myself or my team, and we will build you out one of these policies and show you exactly how it works. Love you all.